Hi there, hi everyone, welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, still Wednesday, February the 3rd, 2021. Here in additional, we have Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. We have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, binary puzzle 1, and a binary puzzle 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus, but I won't do them all. Too much time to upload them and to solve them. So I need to make a solution, and the solution is to make half of them. So 4 Sudokus I will solve. That will be a Sudoku with 3 stars, a Sudoku with 4 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary. Alright, so the first one will be a Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 2268. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. I think there are 25. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Plus 4 is 22. Plus 3 is equal to 25. Correct. So let's get started. How about the 6 in this column, 6 in that column? So the middle column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6s in those 3 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Alright, I think I cannot continue with the 6, I believe. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, no. 6, 6, 6, no. I need to wait. How about the 8 in this row, 8 in the second row? So the first row, the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8, alright. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1, should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2 for the number 1. Alright. Alright. How about no. 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 How about um 4, 7. Need a 7, 4, 7, and a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. 3, 3, 3, 3, 7 and a 6. No. 1, 2, 3 and a 9. The 9. Alright. Let me see. Yes, no. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 and 9 2. Alright. 5. Yeah. How about yeah. 7 and 4. 2 missing numbers now in this column. The 7 and the 4 are missing. 7 and the 4 in this column. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. That means we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So this can't be a 7 anymore. This should be a 9. And this should be a 7. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 2 goes there. 2, 4, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 is missing. 6 is missing. 3, 6, and the 9 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about 9, 5. 4. Yes. 5 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 9. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes. And there. Alright. 6, 6. 9, 2, 9, 2, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6. Yeah. Alright. Do we have all the 4s? 4, 7. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 7. 2, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 here in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 2. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 5 is missing. Yes, we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5, so 3 and the 9 are missing in the second column. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this is going to be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there, 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And then 2, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Now we have a 4 here, so this is going to be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 7. Alright. Then let me see. One of the missing number in this row is the number 6 in the second row. I'm missing the number 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 3 and a 9, and a 2 is missing. Yeah, we see here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in this column. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Alright. Alright. Well. 2 missing numbers now. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9 are missing in the last column. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here. So this is going to be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 9. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this is going to be 2 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this, I've marked those 2 boxes with the 6. So this is going to be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, for a 3-star Sudoku, I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.